Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how you can remove a background in one click within Adobe Photoshop. It's really advanced now and it's really easy for us just to simply click a button and remove the background of an image. And they've added a new little trick as well that we can use. First of all, what you'll notice, right, is I have this layer here and it's locked at the moment. So if I'm going to unlock it by just clicking the padlock, if you go to your properties window, as you can see here, you've got the remove background option. With one click, the background now is removed. But since the 2024 update that has been introduced into Adobe Photoshop, you have this new little taskbar at the bottom. And as you can see, we have that remove background option here now as well. So yet again, just one click, and you can remove the background of an image very, very easily. Hopefully this little trick helped, guys. And thank you for taking the time and watching the tutorial. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.